Ah, what's up, everybody? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at with. Blah, 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 blah.
What?
What's up, y'all? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another video. I know it's been a minute since y'all seen me out here on this camera. You know, I've got little things going on. I had to step away for a little bit. But I told y'all last video, I think I said something to y'all about my hair and everything. Yeah, right now, you know, we're only in the dyeing phase. So the bleaching phase. So just remember, it's still a color coming. So keep in the comments what y'all think the color's gonna be. But right now, you know, still bleaching. Had to stop. Got other things going on. Didn't bleach enough. Thought I was gonna be good on bleaching, but gotta bleach some more. So, yeah, man. Y'all gotta stay tuned for what's all getting ready to transpire on the channel. But I hope everybody has been blessed and had all these great holidays that just passed. You know, because I've been enjoying mine with the family and everything. It's been a minute. I know y'all probably like, where you been? What's going on? Well, we'll get to that later. But right now, we on our way to the crib. We can work on the truck actually, so that'll be another video. But we driving in a nice old Camry rental car. Figure, you know what? I'm 49 and there's a lot of things I've done and a lot of things I've did. And one thing is, since we done came out with all these new cars, your boy ain't drove a lot of them. So I'm in one of these new rental cars. It's a Camry, but I ain't been in one of the new Camrys since my homeboy had one back in 08. You know what I mean? 08, 09 Camrys. That's the last time I was in a Camry, y'all, to be honest with you. It's crazy. I don't be out like that no more, you know. Now, when I was kicking it with my car club, yes, I was all different types of cars. But now, since they done came out with a lot of new cars, since 2019, 20, and things like that, have I been in them? No, I haven't. So, figure I'd give y'all a little review on this little Toyota Camry, you know. It's a nice looking car, you know what I mean? Sporty, because I remember I had a homeboy who hooked one up, like I said, 09, with the wheels system. When I tell y'all system outrageous, shout out to my homeboy Josh in Baltimore. He used to be a part of Smoking Metal Car Club. He's still family. But man, when I say banging system, you know. But yeah, this Camry is decent. It tell you if your kids is in the back, make sure you check the back seat. You know, let you know the person, the kids ain't buckled in the back. That's one thing. That's crazy. They make sure you buckle your kids up now in these new cars. You can ride without your kids buckled up. It's gonna be making noises and stuff. So, but yeah, nice little monitor screen on the front of it, which is on the dash. It's pretty cool. I like the big screens. I'll let y'all check it out and things. You know, nice little big screen. This is pretty cool. This tells you when you're going, actually right here it tells you if you over the speed limit or what the speed limit is on the road. This model actually has a eco and normal and speed. Sport mode. You hit that, boy, and it jumps on the sport mode right there.
See, it's right at the top.
Yep, and then it's ready to go. It's a decent little car. But tell y'all my wife don't like it. She actually liked the Maxima, the Ultima we had last time. So yeah, but it's pretty cool. I like how you can adjust all your temperatures to one side to the other.
Yeah, I have mine
to
on
where
60
he can have his on, yours is on 60, mine on 69.
Yeah, with the fans down low, you can turn the fan.
Yeah, it's a decent little car. It's definitely different when you can switch things around. See, he got his on 60, mine's on 69. Fan, just each other's fan. It's pretty decent. I like it. The modernness of it, you know, technology. The back seat is pretty spacious. This one actually has leather seats. You can see, pretty decent. And I actually like the little patterns in the seats. You know, everything. I can see this car with the glow around the edges and all of that stuff, little custom work to it. I can see it, you know. I can see the vision that I would do to this car if I had it. You know. But yeah, no sunroof though. We don't have no sunroof. You know, I like sunroofs. My truck don't have a sunroof. The Escalade has a sunroof. And the Magnum has a sunroof. I like having a sunroof. I would love for the pickup truck to have a sunroof. Maybe one day we'll put one in it.
You have the cab lights on it. I don't think you can put a
I can put one in it.
You'd have to move the cab lights up.
I figure out a way to put some light sunroof in the top.
They out here in the side by sides.
Oh, yeah. They mudding. They like, it's a nice day. We
got four-wheelers over there.
Yeah.
They out here having a good old time.
Yeah. And we getting ready to work on our cars. Yeah, they having a good time. They got the camo jackets on. Right back. I gotta take a sip of this coffee, y'all. So I'll be right back and run in here, grab something. Catch y'all in a minute. I actually like the sport mode in this. It actually, it drives pretty good. It tightens up and opens it up a little bit more. I like it. It makes me miss my Magnum with the pedal box on it. Pedal box does the same thing. You know, I want the probably the pedal commander for the truck. So that's one of the mods I'm thinking about doing for the truck, the pedal commander. And it takes the curves pretty good too. Definitely take curves pretty good. Always seen them, but never actually been in one of these. 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, all the way up to now. I've never been in none of the other ones. It's crazy. Need to start getting out more. That's what I need to do. I need to start getting out. As of right now, when you ain't never been in a Camry, you feel sheltered. It definitely got pickup. Definitely. Like it. I tell you, wait till I try something else. Who knows how I feel about that? But as of right now, I like the Camry as a, cheap car. Nothing expensive for the average normal person who can afford it. Y'all probably can see my head moves back a little bit. You know, I ain't even really getting on it, but y'all can probably see it.
Drift. Don't drift no corner.
Let's say no to that, young man. Let's say no drifting. Alright, so we are back. And we had to grab a few things to operate on the truck. But this is the Camry. So y'all can see it's a decent little car. You know? Decent. It's the SE. It's nice. Definitely. I see YZ TRD on YouTube. He got one of these. I think his is definitely modified more than this. But yeah. I like it. It took a second to hook. Definitely. So.
You grabbed it. That thing done rolled somewhere.
What?
The socket.
The socket?
Yeah.
I ain't grabbed it. It's in this car. Oh, it's right here.
It rolled from the back seat.
Yeah. Can't lose that. But yeah, look at the seats. They nice. Nice.
It looks
Nice little seats. I can't complain. You know, it ain't mine, but rental car status, it's decent.
It wouldn't be bad if it was.
You know? So, yeah, Toyota Camry.
Definitely got a bit of a sporty look to it.
My son, he likes it. So, yeah. That's my review on a Toyota Camry. I haven't popped the hood on it. Maybe we'll pop the hood and we'll get back to that. But give me a second. I got a few things to do and we'll get back to this video. Alright? See if this socket It is the socket size. All right, hold on. Don't take that off yet.
Why?
I need to show you something.
I need to
Other things you gotta do. There's other things you gotta do. I know you gotta get it done.
Alright, what?
But you have to take that loose right
Okay.
there. That's one. And you need to loosen that under there before you take this off. So leave that loose. And you gotta take that off. This nut, you gotta loosen them up. That's why you got the hammer. So that way you can tap on here. So that way the pop loose. And
it works perfectly though.
you don't want to tap on this because you can bend the threads and then it'd be
That's
hard.
why I didn't want to tap it.
But I'm just telling you where to tap at. Right there. And this one you can tap on the bottom.
What, here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because we're taking that off.
And, you know. Ooh, excuse me.
In
And
my ear.
don't forget that guy
This
come
come
off.
off, too.
Yes. All right.
Okay.
Give me a second.
Gotta go get the pliers.
So that's where we at. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all can get all upcoming content that I put out. Because, like I say, you never know what it'll be. Hopefully, all new subscribers, y'all enjoying the video. It's not the best video today, but it's just my day out and about, which y'all don't get that often. But I'm going to start bringing it back a little bit more. But we're going to get back to working on this truck and getting the lower ball joint fixed. My son say he's going to handle it. So I'm going to let him handle it. All I have to do is coach him. We're going to see how well he do. You know what I mean? We already did other things, brakes, all of that stuff. New tire rod, ends, all of that good stuff. But now the ball joint on here is a problem. So we're going to get it taken care of. My son going to take care of it. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit, or I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.